Hi guys, welcome back to Celebville. Please make sure that you subscribe and you also like this video. Guys, he hasn't hi sana kuningi nje. So Ulasizwe has exposed this guy. Do you guys remember ngisho this guy that was in a situationship, not Dominic? So turns out this guy also wanted something noLasizwe. And uLasizwe, I think maybe wavele wayibona nje isaqala wathi, you know what, I can't take this anymore. But this guy apparently he went into Lasizwe's DMs, and started confessing his love there, saying ukuthi uyamthanda in. So I guess they exchanged numbers as they were doing video calls and stuff. They were in a talking stage kahle kahle. So as they were on this talking stage, Sana, this guy started asking for my sneakers. Like as a man, how do you feel nje uze uthi khandithengele esisihlangu? So these are the chats that were shared by uLasizwe ukuthi no, this guy is actually a swindler. This guy wanted to do the same to me and I didn't buy it. I didn't take that story. Ati, I'm going to wear it when we go to Dubai. Even the spelling saga way, you can tell nje ukuthi sana isikolo asikho. Anyway, asikho lapho. So this is just their talking stage nje, as you see ukuthi Lasizwe also asked ukuthi where is my birthday present? The guy was like athi cela undifakele. Sukuthi like he was begging for money, I do not know. And then Lasizwe told him ukuthi I just paid bonuses andinamali. And then the guy was like, so yangantoni eDubai? Lasizwe said nguNkulunkulu. So this guy was literally begging nje kahle kahle. He was expecting uLasizwe to take him to Dubai, buy him these shoes, buy him that. Njani? Njani? Shukuthi nje yena nje i-career yakhe nje is to just be a swindler, and I think he is targeting celebrities that are in the LGBTQ community, because you guys know most there's this rumor yokuthi hey, those people have money. People who are in the LGBTQ community sana, they are moneyed, and vele we've seen it nje happening. So I guess maybe Somizi was the next target. Sana, he is doing what lento lezi zabo Mohale, what Mohale did to Somizi. He is doing the same thing ke sana. So nje they would talk, this guy would be like, I'm just checking up on you. Hey, wara wara, I'm just thinking about you, trying to maybe win his heart or something. But no, this guy Guning Sana. So this guy is the DM that was sent by him. You can even see the name, see the profile picture there. Anat Mackenzie going around Sana sharing. Ati, dear my lover, I'm writing this email because my mind was talking to my heart and they realized that they love you so much. Thank you for your time, your man, Anati Mackenzie. So nje he was trying by all means Shem to win inhliziyo yakaLasizwe, but Lasizwe was just not budging. And then now Dominic started spreading lies about Somizi. I mean uLasizwe, saying that Lasizwe is the one who wants Anati Mackenzie. And also there's this comment that Dominic wrote uthi Lasizwe was asking Anati Mackenzie out when they were still in a relationship. And then I guess yeah, Lasizwe did this because there's a story time on Lasizwe's channel here on YouTube. You guys can go and watch it. How he met this guy, how everything happened. I think Lasizwe decided to post the story time just to clear his name back it and to say good to this guy was the one that was after him, not the other way around. But now Dominic is making it seem like this guy is the catch kahle kahle. So Lasizwe wanted this guy. Hey, sana kuningi. Kuningi. Now that he is exposed, I He has no other chance, Sana. He has no other chance. And people were like, no, guys, you don't blame him. Hey, the rate of unemployment in South Africa is just so high. So nje kuningi. But nje uLasizwe uthi, I stepped away before it got worse. This can happen to anyone. Stay away and stay safe. Oh, hayi sana, hayi kuningi man, kuningi, yes. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one.